Today, we bring you the ultimate showdown between two heavyweights, the Caterpillar 320D3 Excavator and the Tractor 480. Both are engineering marvels, built for power, endurance, and efficiency. Get ready for an action-packed comparison. First up is the Caterpillar 320D3 Excavator, a beast when it comes to power and precision. Its massive digging arm can move large amounts of material quickly and efficiently. Whether it's digging, loading, or clearing, this excavator handles it all with ease. Next up is the Tractor 480, a true workhorse built for strength and endurance. With its powerful engine, it can haul heavy loads across the toughest terrains. No matter the environment, the Tractor 480 gets the job done. Now it's time for the ultimate showdown. The excavator demonstrates unmatched power and precision, clearing the area in record time. Meanwhile, the Tractor 480 shows incredible pulling strength, easily hauling heavy loads across uneven terrain. Each machine has its strengths, precision versus endurance. After a fierce showdown, both the Caterpillar 320D3 Excavator and the Tractor 480 have proven their worth. The excavator stands out for its precision and efficiency in material handling, while the tractor excels in hauling strength and endurance. The winner. It depends on your job requirements. What do you think? Let us know in the comments. Which machine would you choose, excavator or tractor? Comment below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more epic machine showdowns. See you in the next video.